Actually, in addition, I want to say about the course module of English Camford. When I came here, I was afraid how I will speak, and then I saw their syllabus and their course module. It was like this. We started from ABC, and there were also phonetics, several accents, maybe it was 44 sounds, and by that way they made us confident, and they helped us to grow in English. And after that, I saw um, they taught us about tense and discussed about the importance of tense, because if we understand tense properly, even by learning tense we can speak fluently. And that was the turning point. And I also tried to do my every classes with concentration. After that, I was also able to pick that tense, and whatever they arranged for us, one by one, tense, voice, accent, and gerund, preposition, along of that, that was tremendous. By learning these topics, it's very easy to say something. So that's why I'm also benefited, and I think you are also benefited by this way. So that is why, especially thanks to them, both of them, Alamin sir and Asad sir, to create a syllabus and module for spoken English. Thank you, sir. Thank you.